Hey, welcome to the channel. So today we're going to talk about the benefits of gardening. Obviously, the biggest benefit is being able to plant something and then eat it. But there's other benefits too. Just working out here. I mean, it clears the mind. If you got bad things going on, you can come out here and you forget about everything, just trying to get these plants to grow. But another benefit is the health benefit, exercise. I guess that's both mind and the body health benefit. But every time I move a pot, I dig. It's all burning calories. So there's a healthy aspect to gardening as well. So what I did was I went ahead and set my watch, and I'm moving this around, moving containers around to make things more accessible with the hose and easier to work with. And I'm gonna do some planting. And let's just see at the end here, once we do a little bit of work, see how many calories we burnt just doing something fun in the garden, playing around. Free exercise. So let's check it out. I'm sweeping because I put oak leaves. I use oak leaves for mulch on top of seeds and on top of the plants, on top of the peppers. Not a lot, but a little bit. And when I've been putting it down, I've been messy, and it's getting all over. So I thought, let me sweep just a little bit, real quick. Just kind of clean this up a little bit. Just make this pathway a little cleaner. So that's good enough. So we've got a lot of peppers, and I don't know exactly how I'm going to do this yet, but we're going to move this stuff around. These are the 7-gallon peppers. I've got my 10-gallon tomatoes here. Look at how nice this pepper is. This is one of the ones that we cropped a couple weeks ago. Look how it came back. Beautiful. All right, put that one down. These are all empty, these bags. I've got the seeds growing, so I'm just waiting for them to get big enough to put in the bags. And got some lettuce, radishes here. And we're going to start another row. I think this is going to be more productive. All right. We're back. We've been running around the garden now for 1 hour and 43 seconds. And let me show you what we burned. So we burned 300 calories in an hour, having fun around the garden, moving some stuff around. I got an eggplant planted today, moved some barrels, planted some beets, made rows. These are going to be more tomatoes, and moved our peppers over here, basil's over here, our starter tomato plants, and nice squash. So there we go. So we cleared our mind, burned 300 calories, did something with our time for that hour instead of doing nothing. And so I think that was time well spent. So get out there and garden, plant some veggies so you can eat, and burn some calories at the same time. Thanks for watching, and look forward to seeing you on the next one. See ya.